Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to download Cubase. We want to download Cubase 5. Now when you want to download Cubase 5, come to your Google Chrome and just type Cubase. Cubase. Just type Cubase 5. Since we don't want to download it for free, then type Cubase 5 free download. The way it appears there, free download. Cubase 5 free download, or you can also type Cubase 5 free download for PC. You can just type Cubase 5 download for PC. Now, as you are still doing that, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get more about Cubase. Kindly subscribe. Now, after you have subscribed, then after you've searched the Cubase 5, you will be taken to these options. Now, there are a variety of options here, but if you want to download Cubase 5 now, the first one, Softonic, there, it was last updated in 2025, October 27th. It may change, but this was the last update. Now, come here, Cubase download. Come here, Cubase download. And after you've come there at Cubase download, then you can now scroll there. You see free download for Windows. Free download for Windows. Then come here and say free download for Windows. Say free download for Windows. Say free download for Windows. And free download for Windows, come and free download for PC. I think there are many ads there, but we can cancel the ads. Now you see your download has started, so it will come to your downloading. Now you will be told your download has started. Launch the downloads. You will be asked to launch the download. Yeah, you can now come. You'll come in there and launch the download. Just launch the download and it will download itself. So if this tutorial is helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get more about Cubase. Thank you and bye bye.